Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Logitech G935, and now I can show you how to enable these headphones. So firstly, you need to find the buttons panel on the on the right headphone. So it's located here, and here you will see the power button. And you need to find this power button, and of course you don't need to press on it, but you need to drag it to the upper part. And great, as you can see, our LED panel is enabled, the lamps are lighting, and our Logitech G935 is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.